This is a short presentation of the BikerGarage mobile app. First of all, you need to create an account. After the account was created, you will be redirected to the main page. Now, let's go to Settings, Account. Here you can see all the information regarding your account. By default, the currency used is Euro and the metric system. Below, you have two options. One, to select the list of notification that you want to use. This list contains the number of days before due date of a particular maintenance operation when you will get the notification trigger. Below, there is a possibility to define the number of days for the recurrent notification regarding updating of the current mileage. This operation is mandatory for the app to work properly. Next, you have the option to export the database and to import it on another device. And also, from here you can delete your account. As a reminder, nothing is stored or shared online. You are the owner of your data. Going to the maintenance catalog, here you have the list with all the usual maintenance operations for your bike. If you need to do a maintenance that is not in this list, you have the possibility to introduce it here. For each maintenance, you have the possibility to select the type of the maintenance. Ad hoc means that the intervention is not something regular, it's something like battery replacement operation. It happens, but you don't know exactly when. The mileage type means that the operations has a number of mileage defined for which you need to do it. You need to select date for the maintenance that are repeating on a specific date interval, like insurance or road taxes. From the screen, you also have the possibility to search for a particular maintenance. And also you have the possibility to change the name, change the type, or even to delete it. Next, also on the settings menu, you have the notification page. Here is the list of 6 types of notifications that, as I mentioned earlier, represent the number of days before a particular maintenance has the due date. In this case, if you choose option number 1, you will receive a notification 14 days before the due date. The second notification will be sent 7 days before the due date. The third notification will be sent 1 day before the due date. And the last notification will be sent on the due date itself. You also have the possibility, of course, to update these values. Now that we've set up all the things regarding the app, we can define our motorcycle. In this page, only the name and mileage columns are mandatory. After we set up the basic information regarding the motorcycle, below we have to define the list of all the maintenance operations that apply to this motorcycle. We know that we need to change the air filter. This operation needs to happen at 20,000 kilometers. We also need to change the oil. It needs to be changed at 10,000 kilometers. We also need to do the insurance. For this one, we don't need to specify the interval because it's a date type maintenance. We have a checkbox called alert. This means that you can define maintenance for which you don't want to receive alerts. Now that we finished adding the maintenance for our motorcycle, it's time to do the actual work. From the main page, as you can see, you have the possibility to update the old values of the mileage. Let's introduce our first maintenance. On the main page, we have the possibility to see the status of the current maintenance operations, which are not due. As you can see, we have an active insurance, and also we need to change the oil engine in 999 kilometers. From this screen also we have the possibility to see the history of all maintenance that we've done for the motorcycle. You have the possibility to export the data in three formats: PDF, CSV and Excel. And also you have possibility to change the values of the maintenance, or you can even delete it. And with this, the presentation of this application finished. Enjoy it!